Part 13. Grouting and Joint Types. Many manufactured stone veneer textures can be installed with or without the standard 1/2-inch mortar joint. Others may be installed using a variety of mortar joint techniques. Among the most popular installation techniques are tight-fitted stone without a mortar joint, standard 1/2-inch mortar joint finished in a variety of ways, such as raked, full-to-face, over-grouted, and wide joint. Colored mortar can be used for grout joint application. Modified mortars are not typically used in grout joint applications. All these joint treatments start with proper spacing as stones are set. Filling the joints with mortar can be done with a grout bag. This mortar is typically mixed to a smooth consistency that allows flow through a grout bag. Too much water, and the mortar in the joint will be weak and excessively shrink. Some setting bed mortar squeeze-out may interfere with your joint mortar. During installation, remove that squeeze-out, or rake it out when it becomes crumbly. Do not disturb the stones as you rake and remove mortar. Do not grout more joints than you will be able to keep up with. Tooling mortar too early or too late changes the appearance. When mortar is thumbprint hard, you can begin tooling. Depending on the desired joint look, tooling the joint can be done with a metal jointing tool or even a wood stick. Strike your joints with sufficient pressure to compact mortar and remove any voids. This is also time to shape mortar to achieve the desired look and durability. Come back shortly after tooling when the mortar is crumbly again, and use a masonry brush to remove remaining loose mortar. Thank you for watching. Please see the other videos in this series for additional installation techniques and tips.